Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about present tense. Welcome, young language explorers, to the captivating world of present tense. Have you ever wondered how we talk about things happening right now or things we do every day? That's where the present tense comes in. Simple present tense. Simple present tense tells us about actions done regularly as a habit. We often use words like usually, generally, every day, always, etc. Hi, I am Stella. I usually get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I learn classical dance. I practice dance every morning. I have a very good friend. Her name is Eva. She loves to play badminton. She plays badminton every day. In the evening, we both go to play. Structure of simple present tense. Declarative positive sentences. I sing well. He sings well. Negative sentence. I do not sing well. He does not sing well. Interrogative sentence. Do I sing well? Does he sing well? A. Underline the verbs in simple present tense. 1. We usually play in the evening. 2. It rains heavily in the hills. 3. He goes for a walk every day in the morning. 4. I like Western music. 5. Dirty water spreads diseases. We have completed our lesson. Thank you.